Hey everybody, Gulf Coast TDC. Got a quick unboxing review for you. If you saw the title, you already know. So today we got a Spyderco, and this is the Native 5. So usual Spyderco box. Let's see, any swag, a card, paper with some kind of the color lineup, I guess. Let's see, it's warranty stuff. All right, we got a sticker. Okay, that's cool. I like stickers. All right. Oh, some more do not eat. All right, and then here we go. So Native 5. Obviously not a new knife, but I definitely had to pick one up. And I'll say, as far as Spydercos go, this is my second Spyderco. And I just gotta say that it's not a brand that I'm really super attracted to. I do have the Delica 4. I've done some modding on it and things to kind of, make it my own. Did some stuff to the blade, got a stone wash on it, stuff like that. And I do like it, but I'll be honest with you, I carry the Delica 4 mostly because I value it the least of my knives. So my thought process usually is if something happens to it or I mess up the blade, it's okay. So just out of that weird logic, it tends to get carried more than some of my other knives. But this knife, when I saw it size-wise, and I'll tell you what really got me was looking at the patina. This is, okay, ooh, that sounds real nice on the lockup. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, so this has got the Maximate blade on it. You can maybe see right here. Yeah, so the real reason I got this is because I kept seeing photos on Instagram of guys and gals, say, I don't know, whoever, just folks out there carrying this knife, and the patina on the blade was just kind of ridiculous. I love that kind of thing, so I'm very curious about what it's going to look like carrying this, and then if I don't break it, what the patina is going to look like over time. Definitely excited about that. But also, as far as the blade shape and the overall aesthetic, I do like the way that this one actually looks. Like when it's closed, it has more of that kind of, classic, pocket knife look. Whereas kind of like when you have a Delica 4, like that's a very distinct kind of shape, right? This kind of geometry with a thumb hole. Iconic, obviously, for Spyderco, but took some getting used to for me. So this is a little more in my lane, so very excited about this. Has real grippy texture like the Delica does, and of course it's a lockback like that one is. Now I've done some mods to my Delica 4, and of course it's broken in, from having it. So definitely look forward to breaking this in and maybe some mods just to get it to, probably feels like it needs to be loosened a little bit maybe on the pivot. But yeah, a little plain looking with the gray handles, but definitely a good looking knife. So yeah, couldn't really find a lot of models that had Maximate steel, so be curious. And also, obviously in the Gulf Coast, a lot of humidity here, so if there's some patina that's gonna get thrown on this knife, then it'll definitely get done here. Let's look at some size comparisons. Let's see, of course the Delica 4, right? So real close to Delica 4. Looks like Delica 4 is a little bit longer, just by a tad. Let's throw a bug out over here. Bug out's near identical. I mean, like comparison wise, the Native's a little chunkier in the handle, and of course the blade is a little chunkier too, right? But actual usable blade length a little less than the bug out, since you got this choil right here. It's pretty good with the jimping, so you can choke up. But pretty close in size comparisons. There's a mini bug out, and you can kind of see that it's a bit bigger knife than the mini bug out, and chunkier obviously. And then let's throw the Quiet Carry the 9 down there, and that's pretty close. Yeah, it's real close. Looks like the 9's a little bit bigger though, a little bit chunkier too. So yeah, there's kind of your size comparison with everybody there. Yeah, so it's a really good size EDC knife. It's nice compact look. It's got pocket clip is the kind that I do like. I'm not a fan of the wire ones. They're okay, but they just, I don't know, sometimes they can be real bendy. Even the stiff ones, I just prefer to have a nice solid clip. But definitely excited about carrying this guy and seeing what that patina is going to look like. Oh man, I definitely got to loosen that up. But definitely excited about carrying that. Do you guys have one? Do you have a knife that has the max cement? And if so, love to hear about that patina or any patina stories. As always, if you like this kind of content, like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments. And appreciate you hanging out, and I'll see you on the next one.